Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today I want to show you just a quick, easy recipe that is kiddo approved. We're going to be making some buttered noodles with crispy kale. Kale chips is a great way to get in your vegetables, and my kids love them. Just hear how crispy they are. So good. Before we get started, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video or recipe, please give us a thumbs up. Now, let me go over all of the ingredients. First, you'll want to start your water and make sure to add some salt so it tastes like the sea. And then grab a box of pasta, some butter, and once your water is boiling, add your noodles and grab your kale. You will want to wash and dry your kale and grab a sheet pan. You will want to destem your kale. If you've watched my previous kale chip video, you can either use a knife or just rip the kale from the stem and add it to the sheet pan. And you'll want to break it into smaller pieces just like this. Okay, your kale is ready. Now that your kale has been destemmed and broken up into smaller pieces, you can now drizzle on some olive oil and also sprinkle on some salt. After you drizzle on the olive oil, you can then mix it around, make sure each leaf is covered. And make sure to spread it out. And then sprinkle on some salt. And if you haven't already, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And the magic number for these kale chips is 13 minutes. You do not want to overcook these kale chips. You also do not want them to be soggy. So you have to pull them out at the right time. Now that your kale chips are in the oven, you want to start making your buttered noodles. Usually I will just throw them in the microwave, but for this video I wanted to try putting some butter in the pan and then adding back in your cooked noodles. So you can add as much butter as you want. I think I started with 2 tablespoons and then I added in another chunk. So this is a great way to melt it down quickly. So add your noodles back in and then just mix them around and then add a little bit of salt. You can easily do this in the microwave. And to make it even simpler, you can pre-cook these kale chips and have them ready. If you don't eat them all, they are addicting. So beware. This meal is really great for lunches. My kids love it, so I hope you can try this. And now your kale chips are done cooking. And give them a try. They are so crispy and so good. I know in my house they don't last very long. They can be addicting. So when your kale chips are ready, you can dish up your buttered noodles and then simply add your crispy kale chips. I hope you guys love this. I hope, if you're trying to get your little ones to eat vegetables, I hope that they try these kale chips because they're so fun. And buttered noodles is so simple, so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, happy cooking.